In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set color palettes in Squarespace. Color sets are the backbone of a consistent, professional-looking site, and the good news is that Squarespace makes them simple to find and adjust. We'll walk through exactly where to click and what you're looking at, and I'll share a few quick tips so your choices look polished across every page. Start by opening your Squarespace workspace and clicking Website on the left side. That takes you into the site editor, where you can see your pages and start customizing. Once you're there, look to the top right and click the paintbrush icon. This opens your style controls, which is the place where your site's visual language lives. Here you'll see your site style. Think of this panel as the central hub for how your brand appears, colors, the way backgrounds and text pair together, and the accents that make buttons and links stand out. Squarespace groups these into palettes, so the same color logic follows you from page to page, which keeps everything cohesive without you having to style each piece manually. Now click the color palette to edit or change it. When you do, you'll see your options and a live preview of how the palette affects headings, body text, buttons, and sections. As you explore, aim for a balance between personality and practicality. Choose a primary color that represents your brand, a contrasting color for buttons or calls to action, and neutrals that keep content easy to read. High contrast between text and background is especially important for accessibility and clarity, so make sure body text stays legible on both light and dark sections. You'll notice how the palette cascades across your site elements. Buttons adopt your chosen accents, backgrounds switch between complementary shades, and links inherit consistent styling. This global approach means a small tweak in the palette can refresh your entire site instantly. Take a moment to glance at different sections in the preview and see how the palette behaves with images, galleries, or forms. If something looks too loud or too faint, a subtle shift often solves it. When the palette feels right, that's it. You've set your site's color foundation, and you can always return to the same place later to fine-tune as your brand evolves or seasons change. Keeping things simple, consistent, and readable will give your site a polished, trustworthy feel. That's all for today. You now know exactly where to go, what you're seeing, and how to confidently set color palettes in Squarespace.